Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to make the recap reel trend tutorial in Instagram. So the first thing you need to do is head over to Instagram. Search itsnaveen.b, click them. And then go here to the reel section, scroll all the way down. Until you see this orange wheel. Click on that and you can see here the use template. Click this. Click on add media and choose 47 photos that you want to use. So after you've chosen them, Instagram will process it and turn it into a video. You can now post it on your story or your account. So I hope this video tutorial helped you a lot. This has been How to Search, and make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.